In a jungle full of sunshine, flying through the air, lived a parrot named Miss Polly, happy without a care. She sang a song so cheerful, she danced among the leaves. But one day she heard a tiny chirp that floated on the breeze. Who is it calling lonely from the shadows over there? Spun her feathers, searching high and low with flair. Her wings beat like a heartbeat, her heartstrings felt a pull. I'll find you, little keeper, and keep your skies so full. Through vines and vibrant flowers, she followed every sound. A little bird was hidden, feathers dusty on the ground. I lost my voice to sadness, my colors faded too. Miss Polly said, "No worries, friend, I'll sing and carry you." Together they made music that soared beyond the treetops. The jungle danced to rhythms and the beating never stopped. With every note a rainbow came bursting into view. Miss Polly and her tiny friend made the forest new. Who is it calling lonely from the shadows over there? Miss Polly spun her feathers, searching high and low with flair. Her wings beat like a heartbeat, her heartstrings felt a pull. I'll find you, little chirper, and keep your sky so full. Now Polly and her comrade sing songs of love so bright, echoing through the jungle from morning into night. For every lonely whisper, they answer with a tune. Their music fills the open skies beneath the